Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. If you remember, last quiz you had a difficult question about collective nouns. So I decided to make a remedy plan for you and let's discuss it together. Okay? So these are examples of collective nouns, as you can read. Famous ones, of course, are family, group, jury, school, team. Okay? Troop is like group of followers. Okay? Groupe. Now, as you can see here, each noun from the list above, or the list that you have seen, is a single thing. That thing, however, is made up of more than one person. Cannot have a committee, team, or family of one. You need at least two people to compose the unit. Okay, so this is the dilemma. Is it a unit, one group, or do you talk about the members of the group? So, because people behave as both herd animals sometimes and solitary creatures, so collective nouns can be either singular or plural, depending on context. So in writing, this double status often causes agreement errors. So how do you tell if a collective noun is singular or plural? What verbs and pronouns do you use with a collective noun? Here's the key. Imagine a flock of pigeons picking at birdseed on the ground, as you see inside Haram. Suddenly a cat races out of the bushes. We don't have bushes. What do the pigeons do? They fly off as a unit to escape the predator, wheeling through the sky in the same direction, right? So they are working now as one group. People often behave in the same manner, doing one thing in unison with the other members of the group. When these people are part of a collective noun, that noun becomes singular. So, in brief, if they are doing it as a unit, so we will choose singular verbs and pronouns. Doing it as one unit, you will use singular verbs and singular pronouns. As the example here. Every afternoon, the baseball team, we talk here about team, follows, singular, eats, singular, coach out of the hot field for practice because they are acting as one unit. So we need singular verb, we need singular pronoun. Today is Dr. Ribley's class. This is a collective noun. Takes, singular, eats, singular. First 100 item exam. So class is singular because they are doing it together as one unit. So we choose a singular verb, singular pronoun. So all members of the class are testing at the same time. Now imagine the opposite. If you have cats at home, 3 cats for example, and each one of them is doing something. So one cat might be sleeping, another might be grooming on the sofa, third animal might be perched on the windowsill, okay, watching the world outside. So here we have a group, but the members of the group are all doing their own thing. So here you will treat them as plural. For example, after the 3-hour practice under the brutal sun, the team shower, change into their street clothes and head to their air-conditioned homes. So we have team here, we consider it plural because everyone is doing something different or not at the same time. They don't have shower at the same time. Okay, they are not changing their clothes together. Okay, they have different clothes. They are heading to different homes. Okay, so we are treating the members, the teammates, not the team as one unit. After the long exam, the class start their research papers on famous mathematics. Mathematicals. Okay, if I give you